Hi, this is Bird from Birds SVGs.com, and in this video I'll be showing how I put my Spider Venom bottle label together. Now this label is sized to fit a standard wine bottle, but of course you can make it smaller for pocket 30, if I've said that correctly, bottles, or size it up to fit on some fizzy pop bottles. Okay, now I'm adding some glue directly onto the back of my grey layer here, which is the backing layer for my detail pieces. I'm gluing my pieces all directly on top of each other, but of course if you'd like some added dimension you could pop some 3D foam pads in there. I think that would especially work well behind the spider. Now I'm popping that into place, ensuring that I have an even border all of the way around, and then I'm ready to add my detail pieces. And again, this is where the fine line applicator comes into its own on these smaller cuts. I highly recommend it. I finally bit the bullet and ordered some from America, and they're fantastic. Okay, I'm laying my spider into place. And now to glue each of the letters into place. It's a little bit fiddly, but it really is worth it. I think the effect is great. Now each letter will have a grey border around it. So just ensure that the border is even all the way around. And this should pop into place nice and easily. Sorry, I keep going off screen. Okay, on with the last letter. And that's how it looks once it's applied to my bottle. I do advise using some nice strong adhesive tape, the red liner style tape. I tried using some regular double-sided tape and it tended to lift off the sides. So if you use some nice strong adhesive, you should be absolutely fine.